Hey, we meet again, and today we will study about the tutorial of the formula of averageif on Microsoft Excel. On this opportunity, I will explain about the formula on averageif on Microsoft Excel, and I think this formula will be often used by you in the educational world or jobs or daily works and etc. And perhaps firstly, uh, I will explain first about when the formula of average if is used. uh, if we have the data like this, uh, and I think that you will often to look for the average based on certain criteria or current status, and the data will have some different informations, and you need to look for about the average of, for example, males scores and also female scores. So here the average of male scores can be found by the formula like this: equal to sign and then average if and open the brackets, and you can see Excel wants you to input range, criteria, average range, and etc. And range, so you need to block this informations. It's about the criteria that you want to find, and this is from B2 to B11. And then do not forget to lock the formula, because you need to lock the table or data that you want to count, and the sign will be a dollars like this. So from B2 to B11 it's absolute, so the formula will not change if you want to use another cells. Okay, and then comma. After this you need to input the criteria to look for the average. So the criteria is male, because we need to know about the average of scores gained by male students. Do not forget to add a quotation mark, or you can use the cells. Okay, by clicking the P14, by clicking the cells that contains the criteria that you want to input, and then comma. And after this you need to input the scores of the scores, is the the reference, the average range. Okay, this is from C2 until C11, and do not forget to click to press F4 to make a lock for this table or these values. Okay, so how to read this? So we need to look for the average in these columns containing many criteria from these numbers. Okay, the average of male students, and after this close the brackets and just press enter. Okay, that's the average of male scores. If you do not believe about it, you can calculate with calculator on your phone or your calculator. Okay, and just drag down to know about the female average scores, and automatically this is from B14, so the formula will automatically change into B15, because it's also suitable with the criteria that we want from these cells, as I think that from female cells, except the dollars signed with absolute cells from B2 until B11 and C2 until C11. Okay, that's the average of female scores from 74.4. Okay, just if you need to prove, just use your calculator to to count the average of female scores here from this table. Okay, so to input the criteria, you can type the criteria names or just click on the cells that contains the criteria. Okay, so here if you change the criteria from the cells here, so the reference that should be suitable with this. Okay, so Microsoft Excel will automatically change and make a change from the formula that you input before. That do not forget to input the table and then to look for the table for, that we need. Okay, I think enough for the tutorial of formula and average if, and hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video, and bye bye.